Stand up, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sit down, please. Report English 5 yes. Okay. Well, ready to learn.
Thank you. Sit down, please. Okay, before we start our meeting today, say basmalah. Okay, today semuanya komplit ya, tidak ada yang tidak masuk. There are 5 students in 5B. Well, before we start our meeting today, I want to review about our previous materials. Last meeting, we already learned about space. Do you still remember? Yeah. And then what can you see in the space? Raise hand, please. Pardon? Planet, good. What else? Stars. Comet. Galaxies, and then? Sun, very good. Well, today we will learn about our new unit about Amazing Plants, Unit 6. Have you opened your book, page 92? Okay, please open your book, page 92. (92) Okay, from the title Amazing Plants, can you give an examples about plants? Anyone, please? Flowers, good. How about others? What kind of plants do you know? Trees. What else? Contoh-contoh tanaman kayak apa? Grass, good. Flowers, trees, grass. Ada lagi? Pas. Oh yeah, plant. What else? Okay, good. So in this unit, you will learn something related to the plants. But before that, I have a picture for you. Do you know what is it? Okay. So these are examples of plants, right? There are cactus, flowers, leaves, and so many others. Now, what is it? Rose. Okay, what color is it? Red. And then, can you explain to Miss Vira what is the characteristic from the rose? Maybe how many leaves? What's something in the rose? Yes, it has? It has 6 leaves. It can be. And then what else? How about this? What is this? Spike? Thorn. Good. How about this? You don't know? This is stem, right? Ini adalah batangnya. The English is stem. And then how about this? Flowers, or sometimes we can call it by petal. Jadi ini adalah kelopaknya. Okay? Well, now can you see the picture in page 92? Kita lihat di halaman 92. Anyone can guess what is it? Is it a plant or is it an animal? Plant. Okay. Is it wet or dry? Wet. It looks wet, right? Dia terlihat basah. It looks like what? A water. Good. Now let's try to identify in here about to answer the questions in here. Like for number 1, these flowers are sculptures. Do you know sculptures? Sculptures, it's like pahatan. Tahu nggak patung yang kayak dari dipahat gitu loh? Atau mungkin yang dari clay kemudian diputar pakai alat? Nah, itu namanya sejenis sculpture. Apakah ini sculpture? No. Okay, please answer false in your book. Silakan dijawab false. How about number 2? Who wants to answer? Nomor 2, ada yang mau menjawab? Wait. Bisa? Okay, I will use this. Number 1 is false, right? How about number 2? Yes, Mbak Sekar, what is the answer? Apa? True, the flowers are wet. Is it true? Kelihatannya basah ya. And then how about the last number? Ya Mas Dimas? Maybe yes, it can be. Mungkin dia bisa makan serangga. Boleh. Oke, sudah? Have you read it? Okay. While after we identify the answer from this kind of picture, you know that we will learn about amazing plants. So plants in here adalah tanaman-tanaman yang mungkin kalian nggak pernah lihat. Atau mungkin tanaman-tanaman yang aneh. Makanya dia dinamakan amazing plants. Okay. But before that, before we continue to our next activity, I will play the song to make you more familiar about this unit. Okay, let's listen and try to sing together. Ready?
Hi everybody, are you ready for a song? This song is about
Kamu
plants
agak
and some of the
muter gini nggak
amazing
apa-apa ya?
things they do.
Biar kelihatan lihat. Okay, it sounds good.
And stem and flower and root, and sweet
Delicious.
smell of fruits is here and there and everywhere. Plants are all around.
Okay.
Plants are growing up and down. Air is flowing all around. They come in every shape and size. Their bright colors attract the eyes. Of bees, butterflies, big and small that survive it all. Leaf and stem and flower and root.
The sweet, delicious
Smell of fruit is here
and there and everywhere. Plants are all around.
Plants are growing up and down. Air is flowing all around. Some plants play tricks with our eyes. They're made to give us a surprise. A plant is designed to survive, to make new seeds, to grow and thrive. Some of the oldest plants on earth, trees on mountains high, drinking in the light, reaching up into the sky.
One and go.
Leaf
And stem and flower and roots. The sweet, delicious smell of fruits
is here
and there and everywhere.
plants are all around.
Okay. By singing and listening about this song, well, today we will learn about vocabularies related to Amazing Plants unit. Are you ready? Yes! Okay, well now I have a games. Maybe masing-masing kelompok jika sudah menemukan jawabannya boleh maju ya. Because I already divide you into 3 groups. Nanti masing-masing kelompok boleh meminta satu anggotanya untuk maju atau siapapun yang mau maju juga boleh. Kita mau identify the vocabularies. Ready? Kelompok mana yang duluan? Ada yang bisa menemukan suatu kata? Oke, Mas Gani, come here. Which one? Ditarik. Set, great. Good. Group 2. Yes, you come here, please. Great. How about others? You can see the words on your book, page 94. Bisa dilihat di halaman 94. Okay, great. The next one, yeah, Afshin, come here. Why? Great. How about others? Another, please. Except Gani, how about others? Boleh cek vocabnya di buku kalian yang halaman 94. Ya, Mas Dimas? Which one? Masih ada. Great. How about others? Yes, Mas Akbar. Oke. Masih ada beberapa kata yang belum ditemukan. Malvin? Oke, after this Mbak Cila and Malvin. Lives, good. How about you? Adapt, good. Nah, masih ada dua kata lagi. Dua kata lagi, siapa yang berhasil menemukan? Ya, Mbak Afshin. Mas Arjuna, oke. Be careful. How about Arjuna, no? Valia, come on please. Survival. Yeah, give a applause for us. Okay. Well, that's adalah perkenalan terkait vocabularies-nya anak-anak. Now please open your book page 94, sudah halaman 94. Miss Vira will play the video. Boleh semua melihat ke depan ya. Oke. Diperhatikan.
Let's learn some new words about plants and how they grow. This is the ground. Many plants grow in the ground.
Please say in the ground.
This is light. Most plants need light in order to grow.
What's this? Okay, great.
Plants collect energy from light through their leaves and turn it into food.
This is a leaf. Leaves absorb sunlight and help the plant grow.
Please say it.
Plants need light, as well as water and the nutrients that are in the ground to grow. Leaves help them get that light.
These are roots.
Please say it. Roots.
Plants that have roots use them to get the nutrients and water they need and to hold themselves in place.
Bacteria. Tiny organisms called bacteria help the plants turn nutrients into food they can use.
Bacteria. Okay. What else?
Bacteria are very, very small. We can't see them with our eyes, but they're all around us.
This is a stem.
A stem.
The stem is the part of the plant that supports the leaves, flowers, and fruit. Another word for stem is stalk.
Adapt. Plants that can't get nutrients easily through their roots and stems have to adapt or find other ways to get food.
Let's read together. Adapt.
Plants adapt for many reasons. Some plants have adapted in order to live in difficult environments or to defend themselves. Other plants have developed some pretty interesting and unusual ways to get food.
That's right. Plants have developed tricks that help them.
1, 2, 3. Tricks.
This plant, for example, has sticky drops that look delicious but are deadly to insects that land on them.
Survival. Light, water, and nutrients are all necessary for a plant's survival.
Survival.
Survival is difficult. In addition to needing light, water, and nutrients, plants and animals have to adapt to all sorts of environments in order to survive.
It's amazing, isn't it? We'll talk more about the many ways plants have adapted in order to survive But right now, let's review.
Okay, let's review the word. What's this?
Look carefully.
Root.
What kind of plant do you see? Are these the plant's flowers, roots, or leaves?
These are the plant's roots. The plant uses its roots to take nutrients and water from the soil.
True or false? A plant's leaves grow underground.
Is it true or false? False.
That's false. Leaves grow above the ground. A plant's roots grow underground.
What part of the plant is this? It's a stem. This pitcher plant has an interesting way of getting food. It eats insects. The pitcher plant is specially to get
Adapt.
food.
Okay. Is it adapt? Let's know
The
it.
pitcher plant is specially adapted to get food.
Okay,
Instead of being eaten
great.
by insects, the pitcher plant eats them.
Unscramble this word.
What's this? Bacteria. Good.
Bacteria. Bacteria are tiny. They're too small to see without a microscope. Take a look at this plant. What is it doing?
What's that? Is it trick?
It's tricking an insect. This type of insect is called a wasp. The wasp thinks the flower is
Okay, I think it's enough for questions. Now let's pay attention to our book. Kita kembali ke buku. Oke, in this kind of text, masih ingat ya, kata yang dicetak tebal adalah kata yang harus kita cari tahu makna, artinya, dan harus diingat. Oke, so start from number 1. Please listen and repeat after me. Look at your book, please. Silakan ditunjuk kata yang Miss Vira sebutkan. You can point the words, the bold one yang kata dicetak tebal. Sudah? From number 1, attract. Tirukan. Leaves. Behavior. Like. Root. Ground. Bacteria. Adapt. Survival. Strategy. Stings. Tricks. Yang atas yang digambarnya leaf. A stem. Traps. And the last one is digest. Okay, now let's find the meaning. Or maybe before we start about to get the meaning, anyone can read a lot and friends will repeat after you. Ada yang mau membaca keras? Ya, Mas Dimas silakan, temannya menirukan. 1, 2, 3, go. Attract. Attract, tirukan. Leave. Behavior. Roots. Ground. Bacteria. Adapt. Survival. Strategy. Sting. Tricks. Leaf. A stem. Traps. Digest. Okay, now let's get the meaning from number 1. Attract. Apa itu artinya? Attract. Ada yang tahu artinya attract? Ya, menarik good atau menarik perhatian ya. Attract artinya adalah menarik. Boleh ditulis di bukunya. Attract artinya menarik. Kemudian leaves. What is leaves? Daun. Behavior. Kebiasaan. Sudah? And then light. What is light? Cahaya. Roots. Akar. Good. Ground. Tanah. Bakteria, bakteri ya. Kalau sudah tahu nggak ditulis nggak apa-apa ya. Adapt, adaptasi. Survival, mempertahankan diri. Mempertahankan diri atau bertahan hidup boleh, terserah. Strategi. Ada yang tertinggal? Ada like, cahaya, survival, bertahan hidup atau mempertahankan diri boleh. Ground, tanah, cahaya itu like. What is behavior? Kebiasaan. Kalau attract, menarik. Good. Sting, berbau. Tapi baunya bukan bau ini ya. Baunya itu bau menyengat. Seperti rotting meat. Rotting meat itu apa? Daging yang busuk. Tricks. Apa tricks? Tipuan ya? Traps, jebakan. Digest, mencerna. Oke? Boleh ditulis dulu. Yang pasti sudah tahu artinya ya. Oke, sudah? Finish? Okay, let's review about the words. What is the meaning of sting? Bau menyengat. Kemudian ground, tanah. Roots, bacteria. Tricks, tipuan. Traps, jebakan. Digest, mencerna. Ingat-ingat ya. Kemudian ada sting, bau menyengat sudah ya. Jadi oke, now please perhatikan ke depan. Vira akan menjelaskan tentang konten dari plants ini ya. Ini namanya adalah pitcher plant. What is the color of pitcher plant? Red and white. Nah, ada beberapa bunga itu yang dia mengeluarkan bau yang tidak enak. Contohnya adalah sting lily. Kenapa dinamakan sting lily? Karena baunya menyengat, tidak enak. Nah, what is the purpose of sting itu tadi? Maksudnya apa? Supaya dia bisa attract, menarik perhatian lalat. Lalat itu kan dia suka sesuatu yang basi kan? Sesuatu yang tidak enak kan? Apa kamu pernah menemui lalat di tempat yang bersih? Kebanyakan di tempat-tempat yang kotor. So that's why sting lily itu cara dia mendapatkan mangsa adalah dengan mempunyai bau sting like rotting meat. Jadi baunya seperti daging yang busuk. Itu cara mereka untuk attract flies. Ditulis ya. Nah ini, the smell attract flies to the plant. Baunya itu menarik perhatian lalat untuk menuju tanaman. And then after that, apakah tanamannya akan ditelan? And then diapakan dong? Disengat? Ditipu? Oke, boleh. Jadi ini adalah trik supaya lalat itu masuk ke dalam sting lily. Now after that, when the fly crawls on the flower, pollen sticks to the fly. Jadi ketika mereka sudah masuk ke dalam bunga ini, dia akan lengket. Ya, jadi nggak bisa terbang. Kemudian dia akan mengambil intisarinya. Nah, setelah beberapa hari, baru lalatnya akan dilepaskan lagi. Sama kayak ini. Ini namanya adalah Venus flytrap. Jadi dia lalat ini flies tadi artinya lalat ya. When it come to the trap, dia akan disimpan selama beberapa hari. Kemudian setelah intisarinya dicerna, dia akan dilepaskan. Jadi, what is the purpose of sting like rotting meat? To attract the flies. Jadi fungsinya punya bau yang gak enak itu apa? Untuk menarik perhatian lalat. Kemudian mereka akan, Venus flytrap akan menutup dan dia akan dicerna, tapi tidak dimakan. Berapa hari kemudian dia dilepaskan lagi. Oke, we will watch the video about Venus flytrap. Kita lihat videonya. So you can know about Venus flytrap ya. Sangat menakutkan sekali. Okay, where is the video? Venus flytrap. What is this? Okay, let's see. Ada yang besar ya. Coba ini.
The Venus flytrap.
Nah, itu ya. Awalnya dia terbuka. Aduh, ngeri sekali. It's so scary.
Like the sundew, it makes itself very attractive, oozing nectar across the brim of each leaf.
Jadi dia teksturnya wet ya, basah. And then
But any visiting insect had better watch out for these 6 tiny hairs.
this is the flies. Nah, tuh ya.
Has to tread carefully.
Dia pasti ki, artinya dia lengket, ya kan? Kakinya tadi lengket kan? Tuh.
If it strikes one hair, it can carry on feeding. But a tiger has been discovered. A second strike in less than 20 seconds, and the fly is doomed.
Nah, sudah trap ya. Terjebak dia ya.
An electrical impulse is triggered, and the leaf snaps shut in just a fraction of a second. The tips lock together like prison bars. If the fly is very big or very small, it may just barely escape. But most are trapped and die.
Oh, is it die? Berarti sampai mati ya. Oh my god.
Days later, the trap reopens.
Open again.
All that remains is a husk. The plant has finished its meal and resets itself for its next victim.
Okay, so that's the example of Venus flytrap. Nah, jadi flies, kenapa sih kok Venus flytrap itu sampai menangkap flies? Ada pertanyaan enggak? Untuk survive atau for survival yang ada kosakata di buku kalian, untuk bertahan hidup. Kalau nggak gitu ya dia nggak bisa hidup dong. Okay, I already shared to you about the mini port, Boleh diambil satu mini board saja per kelompok. Jadi nanti you have to discuss, satu aja sayang, satu kelompok satu. Satu kelompok satu dulu, oke? Setelah ini you have to discuss about the answer. Kelompok yang tercepat berarti mendapatkan poin. Kelompok yang tercepat dan benar. So please discuss with your friend ya. Siapa yang mau menulis? Satu anak saja. Yang menulis dan berpikir ya, semua harus berpikir. Oke, for examples, Miss Wira akan kasih contoh. Misalnya, these are bacteria. Is it true? Nah, nanti kamu tulis di situ true. And then leave your mini board. Yang paling cepat mengangkat dan betul berarti grupnya will get the score. Cuma diangkat gini aja ya, nggak usah maju. Bisa dipahami? Oke. Unit discussion ya, Unit discussion, perlu diskusi dengan teman sebangku. Sudah siap? There are 4 questions. Anak-anak tinggal complete the sentences. Kemudian yang sudah selesai 4-4-nya langsung angkat tangan. Angkat mini board. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oke, please write the answer. Nomor 1 apa? Nomor 2 apa? 3 apa? Please got discussions with your friends. Okay, Balia first. What is the answer? Number 1, that's right. Great, give a plus to group 4. Group 2 ya. Group 2. Okay. So number 1, the answer is attract. The smells of rotting meat will attract some flies. Number 2, some plants can blah 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 meat to get their nutrition. What is the answer? Digest. Good. How about number 3? Plants must blah 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 to the place where they grew. Adapt. And then the last one is behavior. Okay, it's okay. Now is using traffic card. Satu kelompok satu dulu. Oke, semuanya sudah ada ya di mejanya. Satu kelompok satu card. Kamu tinggal pilih true atau false. Kalau true adalah hijau, false adalah merah. If you know the answer, just leave. Nah, true atau false. Satu kelompok masih satu. Oke, diskusi dengan temennya ya. Sudah? Ready? Oke, ready? Ready ya? Ya, sudah ready semuanya? Paham ya? Oke. Questions number 1. Plants only need water to grow. Yes, good. Group 2. False ya. Nggak mungkin dia cuma butuh water aja. Grup 2 tadi skornya 2. Pasti dia butuh selain water apa? Light and then ground. It can be boleh atau yang lain-lain ya. Selanjutnya, are you ready? Agak cepat dong. Discuss with your friend ya. Discuss with your friend. Discuss with your friend ya. Oke? Selanjutnya, roots are in the ground. Good, Dimas. Ini masih by group ya, dengan kelompok ya. Atau mau jawab sendiri-sendiri? After this ada lagi. 1, 2, 3. The sting lily gets its name from its shape. Dimas dulu ya, Malvin tadi harusnya betul ya, tapi salah mengangkat kartu. Harusnya adalah false. Jadi sting lily itu namanya sting lily because dari baunya, bukan dari shape-nya. Oke, now please get the traffic card masing-masing satu. Kelompok yang paling banyak menjawab betul adalah yang mendapatkan poin. Tapi tidak boleh melirik temannya ya. Misalnya kelompok 1 yang betul cuma 2, kelompok ini 5, kelompok ini 1, berarti yang dapat poin kelompok 2. Tapi jangan diganti loh ya. Nanti gini. Nah, harus sesuai keyakinan masing-masing. Ready? Kalau true adalah green, kalau red apa Mas Arjuna? False. Ready? Ready. Mas Hatta ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, all get point. 1. Okay. Next. Siapa? Ayo. I think grup ini ya, karena tercepat. Okay, good. A plan or way to do something itu adalah apa? Strategi. Rencana atau jalan untuk melakukan sesuatu adalah strategi, bukan behavior. Okay, now close your eyes so you cannot cheat to your friends. Ditutup matanya sehingga tidak bisa mencontek. Dipastikan tangan kanan warna hijau, tangan kiri warna merah. Kita akan lihat kelompok mana dan diangkat ya. Close your eyes please. Tetap bacakan. 1. Listen. 2. Okay. Part of plant that grow in the ground is root. Oke, kelompok semuanya ya, semuanya betul. Arjuna, kamu kok belum? Selanjutnya, close your eyes. Tercepat dan betul. Sheila, close your eyes. A flower can trick insect by having smell. Ahtar, why you don't close your eyes? Open your eyes. Dimas, why you answer false? A flower can trick insect by having smell. Betul kan? Betul. Oke, I will give point to group 1 and 2. Dimas nggak teliti ya. Oke, the last one. Let's answer together. Dilihat aja, nggak usah ditutup matanya. Wah, sudah habis ternyata ya. How to go back? Anyone can help me? Gimana nih? Why cannot back? Okay. Well, I think it's enough for the card. Boleh diletakkan lagi cardnya. Okay, is there any question? Ada yang mau bertanya? I think semuanya lumayan paham ya. So far so good ya. Okay, well now let's do our exercise. Please open your SSDL. Silakan dibuka SSDL-nya. Ada di Asas Preparation ya. Di course Asas Preparation. Yang bawa sendiri. 5B Miss Wira. Kita kerjakan. Asas Preparation sudah. Asas preparation sudah. Laptopnya ada bawa ya? Oke, Mas Alwa boleh kerjakan di lapcom ya. Oke, Mas Alfa boleh kerjakan di lapcom. Nanti bilang ke Pak Soleh ini ya. Oke, ke lapcom ya. Oke, silakan ke lapcom dulu yang nggak bawa laptop. Open your SSDL yang di asas preparation vocabulary 1. Boleh dikerjakan. Kelas 5. Fifteen minutes. 15 menit. Dikerjakan dengan teliti. Okay, please check. Is there any difficulties?
No, easy.
Very easy ya. Wow, you are great.
Very easy.
Oke, Mas Malvin, gimana? Sudah? Oke, tidak ada kesulitan ya, Mbak Ayesa? Oke. Oke, how about group 2? Apakah ada kesulitan? Gimana Mas Atar, sudah? Oke, Mas Malvin gimana? Sudah bisa? Oke. Mas Gani, finish? How about Mas Balia? Is there any difficulties?
Yes,
Okay. Good. How about this group? Finish? Oh, I see. I will check.
I don't know.
Tutupnya mana tadi? Mas Dimas sudah ya? Sudah ya? Sudah ada kesulitan? Oke. Seven minutes left. 7 menit lagi. Ada kesulitan Mbak Cila? Tidak ada? Mas Akmal ada kesulitan? Oke, yang sudah berarti setelah ini kita mau doing enrichment. Enrichmentnya adalah doing Kahoot. Jadi yang sudah boleh akses Kahoot-nya, boleh disubmit, yang belum boleh dilanjutkan. Ya, sudah. If you finish, you can open Kahoot. Wait. Okay, this one. Which one do you want? What kind of type of game? Robot run? Or submarine? Who choose submarine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. Who choose robot run? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's play robot run ya. Okay, if you finish, you can join. Di lab komputer. Yes. Okay, already done ya. Let's start. Mas Akbar, kamu tanya ke Miss Iva di 4 air, Zoom di mana Bu? Gitu. Sekarang ya. Mas Akbar, di perpus. Kamu ke perpus sekarang. Mas Akbar, kamu bawa laptop ya. Mas Dimas, boleh ke perpus sekarang. Buat Zoom. Ya, saya juga ikut ya. Yang ya sekarang di perpus. Headsetnya bawa. Headset. Mas Alfa sudah ya, boleh masuk? Sudah ya? Hurry up yang mau ke perpustakaan. Mas Alfa, after this you join ya. After this ada lagi. Tuh. Okay, it's done. Wow, Malvi, number 1. We will play once more ya, because Mas Alfa baru datang dari Labcom. What Arjuna? Once more, submarine ya. Once more, come on, let's show it. Oke. Next. Ini buat bersihkan papannya ya. Maaf, Shin. Okay, next level. Malvin, Akbal. Akbal, come here. Level 4 adakah? Enggak. Yeah, the last one.
Another one.
Arjuna option Kinan. Yeah. Okay, well, that's about our game. Now, please grab your mini board and marker. Satu anak, satu mini board dan marker. Let's do reflection. Kita mau refleksi. Please write the answer from my question. Ya, anak-anak tulis jawabannya sesuai dengan apa yang anak-anak rasakan. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, number 1. What did you learn today? What did you learn today? Tadi anak-anak belajar tentang apa? Please write by your own. Tulis. Tadi belajar tentang apa saja? Okay, Mas Kinan learn about plants. Valia also amazing plant. Ahtar too. Okay, can you lift the mini board? Angkat mini boardnya. Okay, good. Okay, next number 2. Is there any difficulties? Ada kesulitan nggak? Kalau ada say yes, kalau nggak ada say no dong. No, wow, perfect. Oh, all of you say no. Wow, thank you. Okay, no to. Okay, now please draw your emoji. Do you know emoji, right? Like smile, sad, or something about our activities today. Kasih emoji buat Miss Vira, activities hari ini gimana sih? Biasa aja, Bu. Oke, smile good. Smile too. Smile semua ya. Oke, wow, Mas Ahtar draw love ya. Oke, great. How about you? Okay, good. Okay, how about your feelings? Please read about your feelings after learning today. What's your feeling? Just so, or happy, or excited, or sad, or boring, or what else? I'm so interested. Wow, great. How about you? Happy, you excited. Happy, you happy. Very happy, good. Tadi kayaknya happy kok jadi good. Happy too. Happy, excited. How about you? Happy. Oke. Boleh ditutup lagi mini boardnya. Jangan dihapus dulu ya. Jangan dihapus dulu. Tahan ya. Diletakkan aja mini boardnya. So, that's about activities today. I want to say thank you for all students for coming in my class. Next meeting, we will learn about vocabulary too, still related about amazing plants. Okay? Say hamdalah. Alhamdulillah. Rabbil. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, goodbye. See you next time.